Okay, so a secret that I have is getting a veggie tray from the grocery store. Here where I'm based, we use a commissary. And it's something that I never thought of before because I thought they were more expensive. Out here, they're really not, but it saves a lot of time. I get asked all the time, I don't know how you do it. We have 3 kids, we're always going somewhere, but yet I manage to cook a lot at home. And to tell you the truth, this saves a lot of meal prep. Plus it also helps me structure my meal plan, which is something. So here's what my tray looked like this week. This is the small size from our grocery store. So I'll just walk you through what I'm gonna do with each of them because no one just wants to eat raw veggies and dip all week long. If that was the case, we wouldn't go through this and we'd waste it all, and then it would be more expensive. So first things first, what jumps out to me is the cucumber. The cucumber is gonna go bad the fastest, so we use that right away. I will make it a Mediterranean or like a Greek themed quinoa salad, pasta salad, or grill or roast some chicken, and you chop up the cucumbers. They're already in sticks, which this would be handy for a dip, and the kids will dive into it right away. But I will chop these up already. The kids can actually even do it. You could use scissors or a knife and put it right into a salad, or just serve on a side mixed with salad dressing with some chicken. So those are really easy, and the kids can help with that. The next one is cauliflower. I'm so excited. I got a lot of cauliflower this week. I'm not kidding you. This is like $10 worth of cauliflower. But the price of cauliflower out here, and it's already cut, which if you ever cut heads of cauliflower, it's messy. So this is amazing. One, saves me time and stress, and it's already done. So what I'm going to do this week, we have a busy afternoon one day, and I'm going to throw these in the crock pot with some lentils and canned tomatoes and coconut milk, and it's going to be a cauliflower lentil curry. If you really like raw cauliflower, yeah, they would make good dips. I'm not saying you can't use stuff for dips, but it gets old and boring. The next one, now I was caught off guard because I have a ton of celery this week. Last week this was like half celery and the other half were bell peppers that were sliced. This week it's a lot of celery. So I'm going to use it 3 ways. The first way is I'm going to take probably about 1/3 of it, and I'm going to line it up and just chop it into the slices. So they're really thin. That'll go in a chicken salad, or I'm just going to get a rotisserie chicken and use some Greek yogurt mayonnaise combination, and that's going to be really easy. And you can make a lot of it with the rotisserie chicken, and I have a lot of celery. Another option is, the kids can help with this and they love it, is when you spread sun butter or any other nut butter on it and then dot it with raisins or sometimes chocolate chips. So we'll have a fun snack. And then the other ones we will probably use just as dippers because, believe it or not, my super picky eater loves eating celery. So that one caught me off guard. That's a lot of celery. I don't want to waste it, but I think the 3 ways we'll be able to use it. The last one, can you see, are baby carrots. Now, baby carrots to me just are dip. They're the easiest dip. They're super portable. You can make a fun dip or just use hummus. So hummus is our go-to ranch. Sometimes you can make your own ranch with Greek yogurt, so it has a little bit extra protein in it. But something else I really love to do with baby carrots, especially if they start to go white, these are the last things I will use because the baby carrots stay the best, the longest in a fruit tray. Like I said, the cucumbers are going to go bad the fastest. The tomatoes and cauliflower are usually right behind them. The celery has pretty good shelf life, but the carrots will last the longest. So if they start to turn white, don't freak out. My kids won't eat them when they're white. I don't really like to eat them. So what we do is I add them to smoothies. If you were making a strawberry or a mango or a peach or a pineapple smoothie, anything that's in the pink and orange realm, throw in these. You don't have to even chop them. Just blend them up. They'll blend totally smooth. No one will know they're there. You can also, we've been really into smoothie bowls, add them into smoothie bowls. So if they're getting a serving of vegetables, you're getting a serving of vegetables without having to crunch on a bunch of carrots. So food processor, definitely a good blender will make these smooth as anything. And then you don't waste anything. And that's so many meals that are just available right in here. Again, take the help when you can get it. Without wasting it. Anyways, if you have ideas that how would you use it, or questions, let me know. But hopefully this is helpful. Yes, I'm totally recommending go get a veggie tray because it'll save you time and energy. And time and energy, well, that's worth it if it helps you eat healthier too. So have a great week. Thanks for watching.